Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular air fryers, the Nuwave Brio air fryer and the Chefman small air fryer. We'll be evaluating these products based on several categories to help you make an informed decision. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons. Let's dive in. When it comes to price, the Nuwave Brio air fryer is priced at $99, while the Chefman small air fryer comes in at $44. Both options offer affordable choices for those looking to enjoy healthier fried foods at home. In terms of cooking performance, both air fryers deliver impressive results. The Nuwave Brio air fryer features intuitive digital controls, allowing you to make adjustments on the fly without starting the cooking process over. It also offers a wide temperature range and 100 pre-programmed menu presets, giving you plenty of options for grilling, air frying, baking, and more. On the other hand, the Chefman small air fryer provides a temperature range of 200 degrees F, 400 degrees F, and manual temperature control. It may offer slightly fewer cooking options, but still delivers crispy, fried finishes with little to no oil. In terms of design and size, the Chefman small air fryer wins in terms of space-saving compactness. Perfect for small kitchens, dorms, offices, and even RV trips, this air fryer allows you to enjoy fried foods without taking up much counter or storage space. Meanwhile, the Nuwave Brio air fryer offers more versatility with a larger capacity and a premium stainless steel reversible rack for multi-layer cooking. When it comes to cleaning and maintenance, both air fryers are user-friendly. The Nuwave Brio air fryer features an ultra non-stick air circulation riser and all dishwasher-safe components, making cleanup a breeze. Similarly, the Chefman small air fryer comes with a removable and dishwasher-safe basket, ensuring easy cleaning. Both air fryers are designed with convenience in mind. And there you have it. We've compared the Nuwave Brio air fryer and the Chefman small air fryer in various categories. At the end of the day, your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to let us know in the comments which air fryer you prefer or if you have any questions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more product reviews. Thanks for watching.